Hey everyone, let's see this question 12. In it, we have given three fair coins, and it is said that they are tossed independently. And T is the event that two or more tosses results in head, and S is the event that two or more tosses results in tails. Now we have to tell what is the probability of the event T intersection S. So we can simply draw the sample space of tossing three coins. Okay. So we will have 2 power 3, right? 3 coins we have and each coin have two faces. So we will have 2 power 3 outcomes in our sample space. Those will be, let's start with like head, 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 and another possibility can be two heads and one tail, right? And it can be like this or like this, okay? And other can be, we can have two tails that can be like this or like this, and again we can have three tails. So this is our sample space of 8 outcomes. Now what is the event T? T is that two or more tosses results in heads. So I'll just see two or more tosses. So this one comes into T, this one comes into T, this one comes into T, and this one also comes into T, because in these two or more tosses results in head. Okay, so this is our T. Now if we see here that what is S, two or more tosses results in tail. So if we see in this place, in these outcomes, there is no outcome where two or more tosses results in tails. Which of these outcomes where this happens? Here. So here are two tails, two tails, and more than two tails. So this is our S. Now what will be T intersection S? So there are no common outcomes, right? To get the probability, we have to see if there are any common outcomes between T and S, and that we'll divide by 8, which is the total count of our outcomes in our sample space. So there are zero such outcomes which comes into T intersection. So that will be 0 divided by 8 or 0 itself. So the answer will be A, 0. Thank you.